all finished up. So I've got a few adapters there, voltmeters for the front and back, and this will be the load meter there. Went with the theme of the Oscar Mike. Still have to paint it and finalise the materials, but it's all going. What are you doing, Tess?
I'm just pulling out the front dash speakers.
We've put the Rockfords at the back. He's made a CNC spacer. He made it himself with my little help, putting them up. Tess has finished installing everything. They're called Hertz, huh, Tess?
Yeah.
Tweeters. We left the original ones on there for now till we get the amps organised. These are the Rockfords. Rockford. All finished up. So I've got a few adapters there, voltmeters for the front and back, and this will be the load meter there. Went with the theme of the Oscar Mike. Still have to paint it and finalise the materials, but it's all going. Learned how to use a CNC from doing this. Right, so this is what I learned from this. What I did with these small letters, I actually did an outline when I engraved it. Well, probably I should have used maybe, doing the actual solid inside it and not doing the outline. That was using still a 2mm bit and just couldn't get in there. It'll be interesting to see how it lights up. I've just thrown a bit of light onto it. See what it looks like. We'll switch off the lights. Perfect. So I've just put it all together for now. I'll just do a test fit. So I'm going to make another panel now in timber that will connect all this up around it. And then there'll be a little panel that goes on top, so it can be flush mounted after. Still thinking anyway, still coming up with ideas.